kids, thanks for watching Johnny and Zoey. The dinosaur toys that we played with in this video are actually puppets, and we got them from Toys R Us, but you can find them on Amazon or pretty much anywhere else. We have a lot of fun on this channel. We play with Power Wheels and Kid Trax cars and just awesome toys once or twice a week on this channel, so click subscribe so that we can let you know every time we post a new video. Also, for daily toy videos, head over to our other channel. It's called Epic Toy Channel. Thanks for watching.